Replacing objects. In this video, we learn how to swiftly update your visTABLE layouts by replacing objects directly from the library. This not only saves time, but also preserves your material flow connections. Let's start by replacing two machines, the GF-Mill P500 and the Gildemeister NEF400, with Decalmajo 600S. Watch how quickly we can update our layout with this simple change. In special cases, like selecting multiple objects, visTABLE simplifies the process. For example, replacing a flat mesh box palette with a taller one is done in just a few clicks. Even when objects are grouped, replacements are seamless. We can replace the group of GF-Mill P500 machines with a single Decalmajo 600S. Replacing is also very useful for the transition from concept planning to rough and detailed planning. We can replace block layout objects with more detailed models. For this, just select the block layout object, click Replace, and then navigate to the model in the model library. This not only saves time, but also preserves your material flow connections. Just as simple as this, we can replace detailed models with simple block layouts. Just be aware that with this process, the block layout object automatically takes on the size of the replaced model. One more common use case is replacing rectangular block layout objects with polygonal objects. This is especially useful when the layout changes and the block layout object needs to wrap around a corner.